Thunder Push and Go connectors are a fast, easy, reliable, and secure solution for assembling copper pipes in air conditioning and refrigeration, without the need for welding or tools. Each side of a push and go component consists of 2 HNBR O-rings, 2 fixing rings separated by a brass reinforcement ring, a dust-proof O-ring, and a brass locking nut. This product is particularly interesting for reducing assembly times, labor costs, and welding work, all without compromising on safety and reliability. It is also an ideal product for installations where the use of an open flame is prohibited, as well as for confined spaces. This product has been developed in collaboration with one of the leading manufacturers of air conditioning and refrigeration equipment. The complete range consists of unions, 90-degree elbows, connectors with 1 SAE side, caps with Schrader valve, reducing unions, caps, couplers, markers, and spare O-rings and fixing rings. Thunder Push and Go. Switch to the smart solution.